Hyderabad is a big city when it comes to mutual funds. About 1.4 lakh crores is the AUM, 2.8% of the industry. Life insurance is bigger in Telangana as a share also. New business premium was close to 7% plus from Telangana. Telangana is also known for significantly big community schemes, rural schemes. Close to about 2 crore people were covered in the year FY24 through our rural and other group schemes. These are big things that should make all of us proud in Telangana. Now, what did our research say when we spoke to customers in Telangana? Similar, again, awareness, fantastic, spontaneous awareness, similar, total awareness, life insurance gurinchi kuda baga. There's no doubt about it. Take you forward. Again, consideration top box, similar. People seem to be talking about retirement plans also more in Telangana, in addition to savings plans. Right? People seem to be understanding about life insurance from televisions and agents, is what we gather. So obviously, not so much from banks, maybe not so much from digital channels. Those are opportunities for the insurance industry to look at, particularly in the context of Telangana. जरूर है, but उनको पता नहीं क्या खरीदा होता है. Some agent would have told them they bought something. I think Sabse Pehle life insurance is also telling customers to be aware of what they are signing the check on. This is hard-earned money, so this is not a good. The red mark there is not good. Right? And then the seriousness about what would they invest in if they chose to invest in life insurance today, right? And the total summary on the right as the top 2 considerations if they were to take the decision immediately. Having understood that from our research, I'm sure there will be learnings along the way also. Let me now take you through what objectives the Insurance Awareness Committee is looking at pursuing, right, through this campaign, through this communication exercise, helping the industry and the larger insurance for all objective of the government in India. So LI owners obviously buy life insurance for these objectives, right? Children's future, all of us know this. Families protection in case something untoward were to happen. Some people are investing for retirement, not all people are investing for retirement. That is something all of us need to consider. But financial savings and children's education seem to be 2 important categories from whatever we have understood. Right? So we're looking at taking these motivations up further. It is not that these are good and these are enough. These are definitely good but not enough. There's a lot more to be done. And we also know that customers plan insurance by life stage. I bought my first, I'm the CEO of Tata IAC Life Insurance Company. I have been investing in savings plans myself. I bought my first term plan when I turned 45. It's my life stage. My daughter grew up. मुझे लगने लगा था कि I have to buy something, कल को कुछ होता है मुझको. लेकिन मैं जरिगीते गनका is the family protector. I said I should buy a term plan. Naturally, we all think like that. So it is well established. The research is not saying anything which is behaviorally different. Right? So, and the lack of understanding about the plans is also evident clear. Right? Sometimes negligence, over trusting the seller. We all see that behavior. At the loan somehow people believe that anybody is coming to meet them is God. So some of these things are very clearly evident. So there is a need for creating awareness, education and so on. So I'll take another minute or 2. So fundamentally summarizing the research findings, right? Consideration, subcategory awareness, life insurance we all know. अंदर pension गावाला, savings चाहिए या term चाहिए, उतना शायद लोगों को पता नहीं इसके बारे में. There's a lot of work to be done there. And that brings us to this campaign. सबसे पहले life insurance. कुछ भी करने से पहले life insurance. किसी भी language में सोचो life insurance. ये बोलना समझना बड़ा आसान है. Whatever you do first, think about life insurance. Protect yourself. Cover this company. Buying a home is also in a form of insurance. This is something we all know. It's fundamental. It's nothing. Okay. If things don't go as per plan, is there insurance? Guarantee ain't. इसकी क्या guarantee है? Insurance is a form of promise, is a form of guarantee. Basically वही करना. And the campaign is all about talking to that emotion. ठीक है, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है बेशक, इंश्योरेंस लिया अच्छा किया बेशक, लेकिन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस किया था, सबसे पहले लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कर लो, उसके बाद बेझिझक बेखौफ आगे बढ़ो. Right? That's the fundamental thing. Yeah, that's a summary of whatever I covered. Protection it is. We're going to be covering savings plans. All savings plans have a goal, have a dream. बेटी का एजुकेशन, बेटी की शादी, बच्चों बेटी की क्या, बेटों की भी बड़ी बड़ी शादियाँ कर रहे हैं आजकल तो शादी इज़ अ बिग माइलस्टोन, सो इट रिक्वायर्स सेविंग्स, प्लान सेविंग्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स रिटायरमेंट एंड सो ऑन. SPLI इज सबसे पहले लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, जो लाइफ के सपने पूरा करने के लिए SPLI. So that brings me to the last page, and here I would request my colleague to present to you the audio visuals and go live with the campaign. Thank you. Stick myself to the campaign goals, honestly, because that's the purpose of the gathering here. The idea is to create more awareness about the category. More importantly, however, subcategories. That it has to be protection first, foundational, and if it is protection, retirement next, children's future, in that order. That's the idea of the campaign. Make it multilingual, because India is about Bharat, so that it happens at a household level and not just at a metro or a city level. What we have tried to do is, even for existing policyholders, this awareness campaign is to tell them that they should stay committed to their goals, see if the insurance cover they have is adequate or not. That's also both important. After COVID, we have realized people who have got claims realized that they didn't maybe plan enough. The claim they got was maybe not enough. So adequacy of claims is equally important as planning for protection. So that those are the broad objectives of this campaign. A very good question. So firstly, I think it's a grand, bold objective by the government. I think great one, and it will require many such initiatives on a consistent basis. There are many initiatives that are underway already. The regulator has introduced state-level insurance commitments from every player in the industry. So each one of us is allotted 2 states across India to go into the underserved markets. We have guidelines, we have objectives for rural and social objectives to cover these sections very clearly. A lot of digital enablement, which is happening already in India. Right? The use of mobile phones is a great enabler already for payments, for communication. Right? The use of apps is a great enabler already in India. Product innovation will be a great thing. So many such things will have to be done collectively over a long period of time, consistently. The campaign is primarily looking at doing that. ఏమవుతుందంటే అవేర్నెస్ ఉంది, కానీ డెసిషన్ టు ఇన్వెస్ట్ ఇన్ లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అది తీసుకోవడం లేదన్నమాట. మనుషులు పోస్ట్పోన్ చేస్తున్నారు, తర్వాత చూసుకుందాంలే, ఇది మనకు కాదు, ఇట్ కుడ్ బి రెలవెంట్ టు సంబడి ఎల్స్, సమ్ అదర్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఇస్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఇస్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్ ఇమీడియసీ. అందుకని ద క్యాంపెయిన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ సబ్సే పెహ్లే లైఫ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్. గెట్ దిస్ డన్ టుడే. Protect your family, financial objectives, and then do whatever else is required. So more awareness, according to us, is the very simple key, in a simplified manner. But yes, I think we are in the right direction already. Okay, last 2 questions, and then maybe we can wait for tea, coffee. We as HDFC Bank are all distributing insurance. There are products being created for this segment also. Right? And insurance companies are now being allotted gram panchayats to go and achieve penetration. 25,000 gram panchayats is what we are looking at achieving penetration in the next 10%, 15% in the next 2-3 years. So products that could cover those people in those gram panchayats, we are looking at engaging gram searches to make this happen. Some great steps, direction given by the regulator. It will take us time, but the efforts are definitely in the right direction. Maybe we should have more agents also from these small cities, understand life insurance, simple products there, go sell, advise families there. More agents we have, it's employment creation, it is best advice, it is trust-based advice that we are enabling, all these. Yeah. So last 5 years we showed only 10 to 11% yield only. I think that will continue. That's a steady, decent growth number we have been able to register. FY26 antara. FY26, the first quarter results are out, so about 5% has been the growth in the industry. My sense is it will be in the range about 5 to 10% on that. This is the range, I don't know. We have data only for quarter one right now. So 5% growth is what the industry is. Thank you. Thank you so much once again.
My name is Venkatachalam. I'm here to represent the Insurance Awareness Committee. I'm a co-chair there. Extremely happy to be in Hyderabad launching our campaign, industry campaign, Sabse Pehle Life Insurance. As the tagline very aptly, very clearly suggests, it's about making life insurance foundational and the most important, the first priority for every household. Aligns fantastically well with the Government of India's grand objective of insurance for all by 2047. A great step. The objective is to raise awareness levels. We've seen that while people are aware of life insurance, from our research, while people are aware of life insurance, subcategory level awareness is maybe not yet there. When I talk about subcategory, I mean awareness about term insurance, annuity products, or savings products, and so on and so forth. Children's education plans, and so on and so forth. A big first step, a great step by the industry. Very excited about it. Thanks for making time.
Awareness programs you are conducting through?
So these programs are going to be multilingual. We all know India is about many Indias. India is about Bharat. It's going to cover various media, television, digital. We're going to have influencers, local campaigns, and so on. So across the board, for a consistent period of time.
Some rural areas are not aware even insurance point also. So what is the steps you are going for that?
Exactly. So like I shared here, among the big opportunities or the areas that we want to cover, we have captured Bharat as a separate segment, which is about exactly all towns of all towns of India. No doubt about it. It's a very important part of the campaign's outreach plan.